Must be a 50 tonner. Quiz question. How many cherry pickers allowed that when you start up with the exhaust looking like that? New ploughs. They badged as new. You might need a marker board on them. Bit of big wood chip drying today. Just drying some logs for someone. So just getting them as level as I can. Getting warm and hopefully should seize them in a couple of days. Well, dry them in a few days. Just got to be gentle that you don't sort of dent the floor really when the bucket hooks on them. Just got to kind of like get underneath them and not press down. The levelier they are, the better for the airflow. You can dry them a bit quicker in a kiln really, which is what some people have. But kiln would just have doors on, I suppose. Morgan's whittling some wood away as he orders his food on his earpods.
No worries then.
We augured them post holes yesterday. Anyway, Morgan's mate will come along with the grab on the digger, hold the post, push it into the hole, and then just push it all the way in. And the solid. He's just obviously whittling the strainer post now. It's all shutting down for the concrete that, and then upbuild the stable divisions off it. Starting to come together. Anyway, I'm knocking off now for the day, going out with Charlotte. Here's the rest of the Euro auctions. A few sweepers in, isn't there? A couple of concrete mixers, even a volumetrics one. Skip wagons, hot boxes. That's a 45 tonner, that must be a 50 tonner. Lots of cherry pickers. Some Flannery cats. They must have finished the motorway job. You see them littered down the motorway network. Well, must have finished the job and cashing a few in maybe. It's like a high clearance Hitachi. That's brand new, isn't it, that Doosan? I try and count them. It's today's quiz question. How many cherry pickers are there? They almost work because the booms are all up. Look at that for a row of diggers. And there's another row of diggers. There's enough diggers to build a new country. You know what, when it finishes in Ukraine, I bet there'll be so much demand for all this stuff. If they sort it out, you know, they stop the war, they'll need all this to rebuild everything, won't they? There's one of them high visibility JCB dumpers, because you can see over the top of the skip. That's the Hitachi row. Let's go over here and have a look at the ag stuff again. I bet it's loud that when you start up with the exhaust looking like that. That's the kind of thing that you see when you're on holiday. There's always one of them on the beach somewhere, isn't there?
Just really, Euro 6 emissions, is it?
No. Some cats there though. Yeah, JC big hydro dig. Yeah, anyway, we're back at the ag stuff now. So we've got some round balers, a big baler, batwing mower, New Holland rakes. That baler does look new, I don't think it's done any work. There's a bob here, is it a genuine one? Lely. A Lely Max. That's the mower conditioners. Crone mowers, little toppers. That'd be handy on the paddock. It's a hitch, I think, off a quad track. Big class rate. 3 straw choppers. All look brand new. Guard's missing off that one. Set of spud ridges. Couple of combi drills. Presses. 4-metre coon drill. Problem with them is moving them around because of the roads. Biggish plough. Then 4 or 5 new ploughs. They badged as New Hollands.
You want to get that 10 for a plough in the shop?
Yeah. What will they be then? Maybe who makes them New Holland ploughs, do you think? Does it say on them? CNH? Doesn't say, does it? Gregoire Besson discs, fert spreaders. Cambridge rollers. Quite a lot of fert spreaders. Sulky one there. Yeah, grab, yeah, for Tom. Slurry injector bar. John Deere link arms, John Deere weights. They Bill Bennett hitches off fence. Yeah, aren't they?
Yeah. This one as well, isn't it? No, it's not.
Post hole borer, flails, little salt spreaders, weed wipers. So you put Roundup in that and then you drive along and it makes that brush wet and anything it touches it kills, but it doesn't kill everything else. Snow plough, shimwell hitch, electric gates. Who'd have thought you put electric gates in an auction?
I have some of these from Wellbrook.
Yeah, if you pay for them, yeah. Okay, it's got John Deere's on it. It's on this one here. Slidey ones as well. 20-foot farm iron gate. 20-foot farm iron gate. Oh, I actually just bury it in. 20 foot, wonder how much they are. And cantilever ones. Smart, that.
Be interested to see what they actually go for.
Little trailer here. Slurry tankers. Major one, full galv. Should be alright inside. Mixed wagon. Another that mixed concrete. That's a mower and a forager that offsets all in one, probably for zero grazing. Big crushers. It's that aluminium, that Weeks trailer. Looks it, doesn't it? Aluminium body on it. Little 10-ton trailer. It's quite high spec, that, isn't it? Kubota orange. In Europe, they all look like that. New MC trailer. Bailey sort of. What trailer? It's got an easy sheet on it. These all must have been working on a pipeline job, I reckon. Come to an end because they've quite a few of them. They're not really bale spec, more like a higher spec. And a hog low loader. A bit shorter than ours, no wedge on it either, is it? New Holland blue. That's wide, that. That's got to be. I don't know. It looks wider. I think that looks a bit wider. NC. Chieftains.
Gens.
Let's go and have a look at that Gens chipper, shall we? Got a few chippers, screeners. That doesn't look square to me, that roller. Let's have a look round the side. Is it a Jens or a Comtech? Jens, isn't it? Swinging hammers. More of a shredder. A few JCBs here. Cab thrown off and landed there. Screen of drums, screen of buckets. Oh, there's a crusher bucket as well. Woolly bold. They're more of a compost shredder. This site is absolutely huge. That's a bit of a beach, that, isn't it? What, that runs, does it? This, go on, start it up there. That'll be a Cummins engine, won't it? Isn't it? Here's a bit of a teacup. That says Raptor as well on the seats. Sounds nice, that. Old 90 there. Quite a few cars, really. 22 plate. That's smart, isn't it? How's this? Raptor. 22. They'd have washed it, wouldn't you? What's this behind it? An Aston. Oh, look at that. Buy yourself a digger and something for the wife. DB9. Or is that an Amarok? V6. Oh, there's a massive waiting list on these, so why is it in here?
Where?
I thought there was a big waiting list on these.
580 miles on it. No, because they've gone down in price. Oh, it is one of them.
No key in it, this battery's flat. That's a P400e, so that's electric, like what I used to have. Oh, GR Toyota pickup.
Yeah.
They look good on the outside, but inside they're just pretty similar, aren't they? Oh no, this looks a bit different to the one I saw the other week. That's smart, that.
Key in it.
Yeah, it's there, isn't it? Cup holder.
Some of them are the same bits.
GR on the seats, flappy paddles, little red trim. Smart, isn't it? How many miles has it done?
27,000. No, 27 miles.
Oh, 27 miles.
Brand new.
Brand new. Anyway, let's look at the dozers. It's enough. What, you want a Postmaster van? Oh, a little mini dozer. Bobcats. Big dozers. D6. Wide tracks on that, isn't it? Look at that. Width of them. Bobcats. JCBs. Obviously 4CXs, you know, with the one with the equal wheels. One of them on massive wide tyres would be a beast for draining. Can't find any, but there's a lot of rollers in it. It's brand new, that. Bet years ago there'd have been more JCBs here than track machines. One here with tinted windows by the looks of things. Cat ones as well. Tinted windows. None of them are 4CXs though, with the same size wheel on the front as the back. Some access platforms, loads of access platforms, and then a Vermeer trencher, 2 Vermeer trenches. There's the little cherry picker platforms, those are JCB ones, a little new. Quite a few UTVs. Lots and lots of vans. There's still more of the Euro auction, so I'll show you that tomorrow probably. Anyway, we're here. So Ian's on the birthdays. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Just at Carden Park, after Ian's done the birthdays, you can see that quad track going in the auction today because I screen recorded it live.
Must be a special occasion. It's got me out in the cold again. That's small or just far away? Charlie Holland is 60, Tom Dunn is 13, Aaron Kennedy is also 13, Charlie Borthwick is 6, Joseph Erasmus is 14, Paul Williams is 44, Chris Derbyshire, John Gleeson, Titus Pomeroy, Jim McCarthy, happy birthday to you, and of course the big man Oliver Harrison, happy birthday to you as well. 57,552 raised. Happy birthday to everyone on there, and if you want to be on there, there's a link under every video.
Good case STX 450 quad track, gentlemen, on a good quad track here. And take a look here and bring it on in. How do you get it here? Somebody get 50 and 50,000 and hug it a bit. I like it. Where else you gonna find one of those today? 50,000 and hug it a bit. I get 35, 75. I'm 30, hug it a bit now. 75, 40 and hug it a bit now. On honey, 40 grand. Here we go. I'm 75, 9, 40. I'm 30 now. Hug it a bit now. 40 and hug it a bit now. Hug it a bit now. 40. Now what? And 41, 1 money and hug it a bit now. 41, 2 and hug it a bit now. 40, hug it a bit now. And 42,000. I'm 41. Yes, sir. 41, 42 and hug it a bit. But guys, she's equipped right. Got hard to find options on that tractor. Get in, help yourself. 41, 42. And she's not too hourred up yet. 41, 42. Here we go. Get it out. And 41 now. 2, 2, 2, a bit now. 42. I'm 41 and hug it a bit now. 2, 2, 2, a bit. 42, a bit. 42, a bit. 42. And 42,000. And hold on. And 42, a bit. 2, a bit. 2, a bit. 2, a bit down. 42, a bit. 2, a bit down. 42,000 and high. And 42, a bit. 2, a bit. 2, a bit down. 42,000. You better give 1 5 real quick. 41 target a bit. 1 target a bit. 1 target a bit. 1 target a bit. 1 target a bit down. 41 target down to get him. 41 target and high. So 41,000, buyer number 8369, a buyer 8369. Here's a buyer. Here's 937. Bring it on in.
Have you ever seen when Google Earth took a picture and there's been a plane? How mad's that? I don't know how long is it going to stay clean for, but James is putting his ultralight wellies he got from Lama on.
They are nice light wellies, aren't they?
Be able to run even faster with them. James, you gonna run in him?